Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Contreras and welcome to Second News. Today we are going to talk about the most important things that just happened on a campus. Here we go. Did you knew that? Students have prepared to participate in a Happiness World Making Festival on April 1. Get ready for a prize? The director of the lab school has implemented a how to help people and guide to help humans with disabilities in their legal rights. And finally, we had created a project, social work program and graduate students to include the in a process related to the campus. See you later. Thanks for synchronizations with our channel. Bye bye.